It's been a day. I am so tired. Do you see the bags under my eyes? But we're gonna do what we gotta do. So, how's everybody doing? I am coming onto here to tell you and actually ask you, what kind of experience do you have with any AI generators like ChatGPT, Bing AI, Perplexity AI? What has your experience been with these AI generators? Are you afraid? Are you scared? Because for me and my house, we love the AI. I love ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney. So I created some items today. Actually, I created them a couple weeks ago, but I just wanted to show you how I use ChatGPT to create the items, to get the ideas, and then create the images to add to the actual template. And also, it just to show you how much possibilities there is. And I know a lot of people say that they don't know how to use ChatGPT properly and how it doesn't give you the correct input, but it's all about the prompts and training the AI. So anyways, check it out. Stay tuned. I want to show you the final product. You're going to love it and think it's so cute. All right, let's go. So what I'm using right now is ChatGPT, and there's ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. So 3.5 is a free one, and 4 is a paid service where they give you more plugins and options. And I just asked it to make me a daily activity list, and it literally built everything for me. Literally, like, you can even probably go into more detail and say based on Montessori guidelines or more play activities, and it's really cool. And then I asked it to make a food schedule because I just wanted to see what it could come up with, like a meal plan, and just see what they can come up with for the daycare. And you could be even more specific and say with people with nut allergies, kids with egg allergies, or for this age group, or it's actually fascinating. So look, it's actually giving me the whole entire plans, afternoon snack, the whole shebang. So I took what I did in ChatGPT and I made actual schedule in a chart form. And I think ChatGPT, if you ask it to make it in a chart form, you can actually do that and you can copy and paste it. So this is a PLR template that I made, but let's update it. So here we go. I'm just going to go fast through it, and I'm just going to use like a teddy bear theme. And you can actually make teddy bears with ChatGPT also. And you can use that to customize it to your actual, theme of your daycare. And I'm just using teddy bears, and I'm just going in and changing everything. So when you buy PLR templates, you can actually get the basic template and then change it to exactly what you want. And PLR templates, well, actually PLR stands for private label rights. And you can see I'm just looking for the best color coordination and font for the top title. But like, the possibilities are endless, and I'm just looking for new and other teddy bears that I can use. Just remember, for pro Canva users, it is a paid service, but you can actually look for like the free ones. There's a lot of free goodies in there, and I'm just putting some doodles just to make it cute. But yeah, you can customize it to anything that you want. I find people really struggle with the design part of this when they're trying to customize it and just playing around. But honestly, there's really no rules on how you want things to look. So just do what you think looks cute. And you may try something and then you have to reorganize it and do it again. It may not look good. You may have to change it. But I think it's just a fun thing to do. So this looks super cute. I love how it looks. Now, if you want to see this type of content and you want me to go into more detail, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and comment below.